So this is my bike setup. First I got the original RockShox Recon 140mm fork. I got a cool RockShox fender there so it doesn't throw muck in my eyes. Has these V Tireco Flow Snap 29 by 2.6 tubeless tires. 180mm rotors. I got 4 piston brakes in the front, 2 pistons in the rear, both 180s. And I got a Deore 12-speed drivetrain with a 10 to 51 tooth cassette. Race face Chester pedals that match the grips, which are these 50/50 grips, which match the bike. It's a Polygon Siskiyou T7. I got a Marin dropper too that's faster than the first one, the original run.